Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and set up Find My Device on Oppo phone. So it's really easy. You just need to go to your settings, scroll down and go to Security and Privacy. Tap on it, scroll down and here you will see Device Finders. Tap on it and here you will see Find Hub. Tap on it and enable this option. It will require PIN or password which you have on your phone. After enabling this option, you need to close this window. And here, search Find. You will see Find Hub. It is pre-installed app, so you don't need to install it. But if your mobile do not have it, then I recommend you to go on Play Store and install it. Let's open it. Enter our pattern. It is connected to my Gmail and it will track all the devices on which my Gmail is connected. So let's see. As you can see, these devices are tracking on my phone, which is Samsung Galaxy A17, Samsung Galaxy A07 and Oppo A5X. So from here, let's say I can't find my Galaxy mobile. So how to use Find Hub? Simply tap on it and from here you can locate your device, play a sound on your device and lock your device through secure device. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will meet you in next video.